Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how you can make $1,000 by without getting orders on Fiverr. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Google Chrome page and open your Fiverr account and go to the down, and you can see in the community tab, click on affiliates, which will showing there. Click on affiliate. So affiliate marketing is very perfect and best way to earn money from Fiverr. So I will show you how you can make money on Fiverr without getting orders. So let's check. So now you can see, boost your earning by driving traffic on Fiverr. Promote the world's largest marketplace for digital service. Get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. So you can get orders on Fiverr. Not you will get money without getting orders on Fiverr. So you can withdraw your payment with your PayPal account, Payoneer, or bank transfer and other. So I have already created my account, so I will not choose this. So I will create my private and write the name. This name is already taken, so I will choose the name. So you can see there. Now I will write my email address. And my username will be 168 and my password will be I have confirmed my password and selecting my country. So, and phone number 9329. So now you can see there all the options are showing. Tell us a little about yourself. How do you plan to promote Fiverr services? So from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, blogs, LinkedIn. Okay, and now I will tell us about your audience interest: graphic design, video animation, programming, tech, fun and lifestyle. So now agree and agree. So you can see there my account will developing, and so you can see there my account has been created, and now simply use some marketing tools and simply promote Fiverr, and you will earn money on your account, and you can simply withdraw your money with your PayPal account, your Payoneer and others. So simply copy the link and paste on your Facebook, your YouTube, your Instagram account, and simply make money online. So if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos, and also comment down below for any type of question. Thanks for watching.